Our question is x power 5 minus e power x plus 5 secant x. F of x equal to x power 5 minus e power x plus 5 secant x. F dash of x equal to dy by dx of x power 5 minus dy by dx of e power x plus 5 is constant, that's why I put back. Then I derivated for this only d by dx of secant x. We know the formula x power n. Derivation of x power n is n into, here n is 5 into x power n minus 1, n is 5 minus 1, minus derivation of e power x is e power x, plus 5 into derivation of secant x is secant x into tan x, equal to 5 into x power 4. Why? Because 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1 is 4, that's why 5x power 4 minus e power x plus 5 secant x into tan x.